Ladies and gentlemen, in Saligao, I have beautiful memories. In the year 1977, we would come here in this place called as Salmona for our scouting camps. Today when I come in the year 2022, I find that the entire thing has been built up in a very odd way, in a very modern way, not suitable for what images of Salmona Spring we had earlier. At that time, there was just a wall. This cross was there on the wall, and from here the spring would come, and that's where we would get our water for our camping. Today when I come here, I find that this entire place has been totally distorted with bottles, plastic bags, plastic bottles. Here we can see lot of these youngsters having a bath, and the water that is there is being controlled to be sent out. This Salmona Spring is not what we saw when the memories flood back. We cannot connect with this particular thing, but whatever it may be, there is too much of activity around here, construction activity. But the name Salmona Spring is attached to the people who have come over here, and it has been informed as oral history that this place was very, very important, because when those people migrated here into Goa, the first settlement in Saligao may have been over here. And it is from here, it is said that Saligao started growing. And the migration of the people from here to other places during the religious persecution time may have shifted everything from here. And they say that the Devi Sharvani, which was the main deity of this place, was shifted from here first into Maharashtra, and then it was brought and settled at a place called as Advalpale. Ladies and gentlemen, we must protect our heritage. We cannot allow it to be destroyed. And if we don't participate in our keeping together of the heritage, then it is going to be a very, very sad state of affairs for Goa. But whatever it may be, the memories of Salmona, you'll find that my whole attitude seems to have become very morose, is because this is what I saw over here. Not from the days that I saw them in the year 1977 onwards, but now this is very sad. We need development, but not this way. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Salmona Spring for you.